In this video, guys, I would like to talk about the HTML structure. So what does it mean, this? The browser starts to read your file from the top to the bottom, okay? And this, what you can see, is HTML. So it's a communication language with your browser. So here you communicate, for example, this is document and his type is HTML, and the browser said, okay, I am ready for your HTML. Here is the starting point of HTML, and this is an ending point of HTML. Okay, so this is HTML tag, we call it. So we will use tag all the time because HTML, it's a tag language. Okay, everything is tag, we can say. So this means HTML starts here and ends here. If you don't use language, it's absolutely okay, it doesn't crash anything, but it's good to use it, but it's not mandatory. So if your website will be in English, so you can write English. For example, my language, my home language is Czech language, so it will be like this. If your website will be in Espanol, in Spain, correct? Espanol, correct? So it will be ES, and so on and so on. So we will let here English, okay? So start HTML and end HTML. And the website has two main parts. The first is head and the second is body. Guys, this is very important. Why? Because everything what you need to be seen on your website, it has to be in body. So it means if you will have a picture on your website, it has to be in body. If you have a heading here, it has to be in body. If you have a link here to another website, it has to be in body. If you have a video here, it has to be in body. Okay, I hope you understand. So what is the head? Head means that there are information for the browser or for some search engines like Google search engine and things like that. So for example here, the meta means behind. It's from Latin, okay, but it's not so important. But meta means that we put here some information in the background, we can say. And here is a character set. Character set means that, for example, English has a different letters than my language, Czech language, because in my language we have, for example, this weird letters. Okay, so it means English language has a different type of letters than my English. Than mine language, and English has a different letters than Japanese. Right? So it means you need some special character set. And character set, we usually use UTF-8. So it's a general character set, and it will understand English, it will understand my language, so my special letters, we can say, and so on and so on. So if you write something like this in your body, so it will appear correct in your browser. Okay? So it's character set. Here we have a meta name viewport. What does it mean, viewport? Viewport is this, guys. This what you can see here. So now the viewport is this white space. So if I will do something like, if I will do something like this, so the viewport is this white space again, but it's smaller, correct? So this line is only for, or the reason why this line is here is responsivity. So it means that we need to create our website responsible, so it means suitable for phones, for tablets, for big screens, and so on, for televisions, for example. Okay, so the name viewport means that the viewport, his width will be device width. So if it will be mobile and the width will be from here to here, so this width will be the width of this website. It makes sense, correct? Because I guess it makes sense in general, correct? So if you will have a tablet like this, so it means the width will be the width for your website as well. Okay, so it means width of your website is equal to device width. Okay, and initial scale means that it's 0. So it's 1.0. So it means that it will be in normal space, like in normal view. So if you put here something like this, so it means it will be zoomed. Okay, it's if you put here something like this, it will be unzoomed. Okay, but it's not so important, guys, for now, because we doesn't change this line ever or never. Never, correct? It's English. So never change this line, so just leave it here. Okay, and the last thing is this document. So the document means it's this title. The title, again, it's HTML. It starts here and ends here. You can see that the open tag and the close tag are the same, but here is a slash. So it's the same for the head, correct? Open and close tag. And again, it's the same, but here is the slash. Body is the same. HTML is the same. Perfect. So now you can write here something like home page of my website. I hope that I spell it correctly, and you can see it's here. Okay, home page of my website. So it's the title of your website. Okay, it doesn't have anything with your content here in the white place. So it's only here. Okay, home page of my website. So if I put it here, something like this, and check it, you can see it's here as well. Okay, so it's a title of the website. What is this website about? And how I said, okay, this is the structure. Okay, so please remember that everything what I need to be seen here, we need to put into the body. Okay, that's the most important thing. And head, there are some basic information about our website, some basic information for the browser, search engines. Okay, one more thing. Maybe you remember that we installed the live server, correct? So, and now we have a live server and we have the autosave. So what does it mean? It means that if I will write something here, for example, I erase this and I will stop writing, it will save automatically, and the live server does that, it will refresh automatically. So I don't need to use this icon. Okay, so you can see, I will show you like this. So you can see if I will write here something like this and I stop the writing now, you can see that I didn't click anything and it's here. Okay, the change. So it means you don't have to save anything, you don't have to refresh it, and it will be quick, it will be smart, it will be effective. Okay, we can write our code very quick. So perfect. So I will change it back, homepage of my website, for example, like this. You can change it whatever you want. It's up to you guys. Perfect. So I will take it back like this, like where is my VS Code? Here. Okay, so guys, we call it VS Code because it's shorter than Visual Studio Code also. So anytime I will use the VS Code term, it means this program. Okay, perfect. So now I hope, guys, that you understand what's the main point of HTML structure.